Good afternoon to all of you of class 9th students. In previous class we had already discussed about the different modes of changing either the change of a state of matter. We had already studied about the melting, vaporization, condensation. We have already studied. Now today we have to study about the freezing. Liquid to solid change. Class 9th student, chemistry. Liquid to solid change. The process in which a liquid changes into solid by decreasing temperature and pressure is known as freezing. As water freezes into ice at 0 degrees C. It's clear. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. The freezing point the temperature at which any substance is known as the freezing point. For example, the freezing point of alcohol is minus 175 degrees C. So that alcohol is used widely to our crops in very cold regions as Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. Our armies are supplied, that you can say alcohol wines etc. are supplied to army personnel in freezing areas, that is the Ladakh, where the temperature becomes low as minus 30 degree, minus 10 degree etc. प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपको एक प्रोवर्ब सुनाता हूँ। शरीफों की शराफत कम नहीं होती, सोना चाहे लाख टुकड़ा क्यों न हो जाए फिर भी उसकी कीमत कम नहीं होती। इसका मतलब छोटा टुकड़ा भी वो सोना है तो अगर सोना ही है। लैटेंट हीट भी इसी तरह से है। लैटेंट हीट हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट का वो कम से कम हीट है, जब तक कि वो पूरा पूरा हीट ट्रांसफर ना हो जाए वो तब तक उस पहले में से दूसरा में या दूसरे में से पहले में नहीं जाएगा। इसका सीधा अर्थ हुआ कि अगर एक ग्लास में आप बर्फ के क्रिस्टल्स को डाल दीजिए तो आप कुछ देर के बाद देखेंगे कि बाहर से उस ग्लास के ऊपरी सरफेस पर, आउटर सरफेस पर teeny droplets of water has been arranged. Why it is so? Because the temperature of ice is less than that of the temperature of surroundings, so that the temperature of outer areas, you can say the temperature of heat, you can say heat temperature just passes through higher pressure to lower pressure, and in the same case just the temperature, the air around the glass is hotter in respect of the crystals of ice. So today we have to study what is latent heat, and in our day-to-day life what are the different uses of latent heat. I request you once again, meanwhile, whenever if you stay home you will be safe, because there is no other opportunity to save ourselves, and social standing is very social distancing is very important for this COVID-19. So once again I request you, wash your hand with any soap so that it may give you lice too much. Let's we have a look on what is latent heat. The required heat energy to be supplied to change the state of a substance is called the latent heat. That is, it is a hidden heat. Hidden heat. This is to be noted that latent heat never raises the temperature. It should be noted that the latent heat does not raise the temperature. Latent heat does not raise the temperature. The heat energy which is required to change the state of a matter from one state to another, as earlier we had already discussed that whenever if we take some crystals of ice and if we put it in the you can say glass, then after some time we feel, whenever if we hold the glass we feel cold. Yeah, we feel coldness. Why? Because heat energy of our body is more than that of the heat energy of the ice crystals ice. So the amount of heat energy which is supplied from our body to the glass, we will feel the coldness. And latent heat does not change the kinetic energy of a substance. Thus, there is no increase in the kinetic energy of particles. There is no increase in the kinetic energy of the particles. On this behalf, we can classify that the latent heat is of two types. Latent heat of fusion and vaporization. Sir, take a snap.